channel! So today we are complete. I'm with my family. Okay, so right now we're gonna do another taste test! Yay! He's the happiest in his family.
He's happy inside.
Okay, so right now we're gonna do a taste test. So we're gonna start with different flavors of Kitkats. There are different kinds of flavor of Kitkats in Japan. And some of them are actually limited edition. So I'm so excited.
Two different matcha.
Kuya,
This one,
are you excited?
Papi.
pretty strong.
Yeah, it's the Uji matcha Kitkat. And then this one is ordinary. I don't know.
Matcha! Matcha.
Dark one, of course, it's darker. And it has more bitter taste. Compared to the other one is sweeter.
Next.
Strawberry! Yay!
Yeah.
Real strawberry taste.
So good at it.
I'm not really a fan of strawberry. It's good. Actually, it's not overwhelming. The good thing about Japanese Kit Kats is the packaging. You can write your like a note.
Salt lemon.
I like it.
You like
Also an air freshener.
Lasang Lysol.
Why? It's anti-COVID.
Air freshener.
Lysol is anti-COVID-19.
Lemon na lemon siya na air freshener.
Oo, super. Super lemon.
Super lemon. Talagang
Malalasaan mo talaga yung
tastes like
lemon.
lemon. Ruby.
I-google nyo na.
Oo. So hindi siya laging meron. Ano lang, ngayon
Yeah,
lang.
limited edition.
Kasi nag-collab.
Okay na eh.
Ruby!
Sarap
Nasa
ni
si
Ruby.
Ang sarap.
Ruby is delicious.
Ang sarap.
Ngayon lang siya
Nasarapan.
nag-comment.
Nasarapan si
Grabe.
Papi kay
Yeah,
Ruby.
Sarap
siya
ni Ruby.
kay Ruby.
Ang sarap.
Kalamig yun ni Ruby.
Almond naman yung tama ba? Almond to? Saan ka na? Nasaan ka na? Kasi parang siyang dark chocolate. Hindi siya ganun.
Parang may almond tsaka ano to. Hindi mo matubig.
All is the best.
Ito yung masya.
Shit, ang sarap.
Chef!
Ang sarap na.
Chef! Ang sarap!
Ang sarap ni Chef.
Ayan, ang sarap ni Chef. Ayan.
Yeah,
And
ang
dito si
sarap.
Chef, oh, si Chef Sakurada. Sunod naman. Salt,
Sino si
lychee.
Salt lychee.
Yeah. Salt, pwede ding
The
leche.
lychee.
Oh, it is.
Lychee.
It's up to you.
It's so weird.
Parang nagkaka-lychee.
All is the best in Japan.
Nagkaka-lychee yung flavoring. Ito yung roasted tea.
It's the best.
Hala, lasang tea talaga siya, no?
Talang tita. Tita October.
Lasang tita.
Ang sarap ni tita.
Ang sarap ni tita.
Ayos ka.
Ang sarap ni
Lasang
tita.
volcano.
Natikman mo na pala yung vulkan ngayon. Ano, it reminds me of nung...
Wow.
Ay, ano naman yung mga remind. Yung ribisco.
Ay.
Ano, promote ng rebels ko.
Hindi, parang may ribisco na.
Oo, nabis ko kami.
Ay, oo.
Biscuit yan.
Mocha.
Ay, oo.
Custard and
So, kung ako naman Japan ka, supply pa ribisco.
Ayan, kung hindi nyo
Skyflex
afford
lang alam
yung
ko.
Sublime Volcanic, bili na lang kayo ng
Ribisco lang pala.
Ribisco lang pala.
Ang mahal-mahal pa niya.
Oy,
sweet.
Ah.
Oh, goes. Kung bagong ano to eh. Ano?
Bakong labas
Yung package.
rice crackers.
Rice crackers.
Five
Oh,
kinds
kasi
of
hindi
rice
namin nababasa.
Hindi namin nababasa, kaya...
So, ita-try namin lahat.
So, ano yung favorite nyo sa 5 collection? Lahat.
Silang lima. Masarap to
Silang
sila.
lima.
Gusto ko silang tikman nila.
Si Happy Bird. Yan. Oh, rice cracker din yan.
All the best in Japan.
Bakit di mo ako pinibigyan? Oh, issue.
Yeah.
Ay, itim.
Karentus na!
Test.
Isa.
Bilipit.
Sarap niyan, eh.
Biryani.
Parang meron tayong ganito. Yung nakakain, yung mahaba. Mahaba na ulit.
Ay, extend na.
Kain ng daga yan.
Hindi yung natutwist.
Oo, wala.
Dong-didong.
Pilipit.
Pinipit.
Pilipit.
Pilipit. O, lasa.
Ano?
Lasang pilipit siya. Pinasosyal lang.
Oh,
Okay, thank you so much.
Pinapul na no.
titik.
Number one.
Sikat daw to sa
Yan.
Japan. According to Saku-chan.
Yes. Tea. Ganyan yung hitsura niya.
Yan yung royal milk tea na
Ito.
200 grams.
Blue.
10 sticks sa isang lalagyan.
Saan? Tama lang. Saan siya?
Parang tetarik.
Oo.
Masasarap to to.
Naman, yung matcha.
These are my favorite.
Wow.
Favorite.
Eh, try na namin. Bagat tanong pa
Parang
namin
meron
yan.
siya kakaibang kick.
So, dahon-dahon. Pero, it's good.
Yeah. Ito naman yung
Ito
another
naman,
matcha.
I'm gonna link it down below where you can get all of these. Thank you so much to my family. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button so you can get notified if I have new videos. Also, you can share this and click like and put your comments in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time. Thank you so much. Thank you, Japan. Arigatou gozaimasu.